Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to split first name and last name in Excel. So if you want to split or separate first name and last name, here you will see I have two table. Okay, this table and here this is this table. Okay, so in this table you will see that I have separated first name and last name with space, and here you will see I have separated first name and last name with comma. Okay, so how to do that, I will show you both method. So first I am going to separate this one. So you have to select all the names, and then here you will see data option, click on data, then go to text to column option, click on it. Okay, now de-eliminate option, click on next. Then here you will see comma, space, tab, semicolon or others here. So as I separate first and last name with space, so you have to just choose space. Okay, then click on next. Then here you will see you have to choose destination. Okay, so now you have to just click on it and now choose the destination here you want to paste the first and last name. Then okay, then click on finish. Now you will see first and last name has been separated. So now in this, here what you have to do, same step. Okay, select this text to column. Next, now here I have separated first and last name with comma, click on comma. Next, now here you have to choose the destination. Okay, then click on OK, finish. So like this you can separate first name and last name in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.